In this video, you'll learn how to schedule a session from start to finish. This will help you keep your sessions organized and make changes whenever you need to. I've broken this down into 3 easy steps so you can follow along. We'll start with scheduling a new session and walk through everything you need to know. To initiate session creation, click the Schedule Session button. The Schedule Tutoring session modal will open, showing you different session types to choose from. Take a moment to review the available options. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed with creating the session. The session creation process is now initiated. Let's move on to selecting participants for this session. To select participants for your session, click on the student you want to include. In this case, we'll choose the test student from the list. Once you've selected your participant, hit the Continue button to move to the next step. Now that we've selected our participants, the session knows who will be attending. Let's move on to populating session details from a lesson plan. To populate session details from a lesson plan, click the Autofill from Lesson Plan link. Click the Subject dropdown and select Physics from the available options. Click on the Lesson Plan dropdown field to browse available plans. Select the lesson plan titled Forces and Their Effects Introduction. The form automatically fills in the session title and learning objectives. Scroll down to review the populated content. Click to expand the hook settings section. Enable the skip hook toggle by clicking on it. This allows the student to bypass the introductory hook activities for this session. When you're ready to proceed, click the Continue button. Let's move to the next step, which is to set the date and time for this session. To set the date and time, scroll up to view the calendar section. Choose your preferred date by clicking on the 2nd of the month. Select the 11 time slot for your session. Scroll down to find the Continue button at the bottom of the form. Click the Continue button to proceed with your session scheduling. The date and time for your session are now set. Let's move on to reviewing and finalizing the schedule to ensure all details are correct before confirming. To review and finalize the schedule, scroll down through the review screen to double-check all your session details, including the participants, date, time, and lesson plan information. Once everything looks correct, click the Schedule Session button to create your tutoring session. You'll see a success notification confirming your session has been scheduled, and the modal will automatically close, returning you to the main interface. Let's move on to finding the session on the dashboard calendar. To find the session on the dashboard calendar, click the right arrow twice to navigate to Monday, March 2nd. You'll see the newly scheduled session appear on the calendar. Now click on the Week View toggle to get a better view of your schedule. Select the Week option to switch to Weekly View. The calendar now displays in weekly format, making it easier to see your sessions. Use the navigation arrows to browse between different weeks as needed. We've located the session on the dashboard calendar. Let's move to the main schedule page to view the session in the full schedule list. To locate the session on the main schedule page, click on Schedule in the main navigation menu. Once you're on the schedule page, filter the calendar by selecting Upcoming Status to see your scheduled sessions. Navigate to the correct month by clicking the right arrow to move to March 2026. You'll see the scheduled session appear on the calendar. Click on it to view the details. Let's move on to accessing the Reschedule option for this session. To access the Reschedule option, review the session details that appear in the side panel by scrolling down to see all available information. Expand the Lesson Hook section to view the complete session content and materials. Scroll back up and click the 3-dot menu icon to access the session management options. Select Reschedule from the drop-down menu to begin modifying the session timing. The Reschedule option is now open. Let's move on to updating the session time and providing a reason for the change. To update the session time and provide a reason, scroll down in the Reschedule session panel and enter your reason for the schedule change in the appropriate field. Click on the Time Input field and select your preferred new time, in this case, 13 Holid. Now that we've updated the session time and provided a reason for the change, let's move to the final step, which is to confirm and verify the rescheduled session. We need to ensure the changes were saved correctly and the new session details are displayed accurately. To confirm and verify the rescheduled session, click the Reschedule button to finalize your changes. You'll see a Session Rescheduled confirmation notification appear. Scroll down to verify that the updated session time is now reflected both on the calendar and in your upcoming sessions list. And that's it. Your rescheduled session is confirmed and verified. You now know how to schedule, view, and reschedule sessions whenever you need to. You're all set to manage your sessions with confidence.